I have a new lithium battery from DR.PREPARE. I have shared a battery from them before. It was just like this one, or pretty identical to it. And it was really nice. What I really like about this battery is that it has this gauge here at the top, so you're always going to know how much battery capacity is in here. You're also going to be able to see your input and your output. Now, I did film this indoors a little bit because I did charge it inside while it was raining and everything. So let me go ahead and give you that footage. It will show you the display, we'll show you the charging port, or the charging of it. And I'm going to hook it up to the trailer, and I'm going to show you how it works with like the discharging, and where you can actually see how many amps your trailer is using battery wise. So if we come up here, we hit our button, and it's going to let you know your voltage, 13.2 volts right now. Right now it's at 37%. It definitely needs a charge. And it's going to show the current is at 0 coming in and out right now. Charger's showing that it's kicking out 20 amps. So right now it's showing that we have 20.8 amps coming in, and the battery is charging up. I'm going to go ahead and let it charge up, and then tomorrow we'll get it hooked up to the RV or something else, and we'll test it out, and I'll show you the amperage coming out of it, so you can actually watch and see what your amps are being used at the moment. You hook it up to the RV, you can turn on your heater and stuff, you can go out and you can see how many amps that heater is actually using. Now let's go ahead and hop back out here where I can share a little bit more about the battery. I'll show you the specs here, talk about it a little bit, and then we'll hook it up and try it out. So here on the front, you're going to see this is a 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour capacity, 1280 watt hours. So you would be able to run an inverter for up to 1280 watts. You parallel a couple of these together, and then you can double that, triple it, etc. Charging voltage, 14.6 volts. The maximum discharging current is 100 amps. So you can have 100 amps of power hitting it all at once. It's going to kill it really quick, of course. Your max charging current is 50 amps. For optimal, use like my 20 amp eco-worthy one, and it's going to be a lot better and make it last a lot longer. Of course, if you parallel these together into multiple batteries, your charging current can go up as well. So if you have two of these batteries, you could potentially double it. And I've done like my 60 amp and my 80 amp chargers on multiple batteries at once. Your operation temperature, you got 32 Fahrenheit through 140 degrees with any temperature, with low temperature protection. So this one is not going to be rated for super cold environments, but it will work down to 32 degrees. And I have actually used it for less than that. It's just not optimal, and it kind of loses capacity during that cold. You'll see it series up to 4 pieces, 48 volt max or parallel. So you can connect 4 of these batteries together to get potentially 400 amp hours. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this connected to the trailer, and then I will put the propane tank on here. I'll fire up the furnace and stuff and just show you some of the amperages coming out of this. And while I'm hooking this up, I'm gonna get my charger dongle set up here as well, where I can easily detach and attach my charger to the battery. And you just wanna make sure that you follow red with the red, black with the black. And it's so bright out here, it might be hard to really show this, but we're gonna try. If I have to, I'll use my phone to do a close-up of this. But we got our panel showing that we're using 0 right now because nothing is on. 13.4 volts. Our battery is charged. I'm gonna go ahead and get a propane tank set up. So first I'll fire up a couple lights and we'll see what the amperage shows on lights. All right, so firing up 4 of the little puck lights. And it's showing that we're using 1.7, 1.8 amperage. So we'll be able to see that right now with a couple lights running, we got negative 1.7 amps. So we do have that much power coming out with the lights. And 13.4 volts. Let's go ahead and fire up the furnace and we'll see how much it pulls from that. And with our furnace running, we are pulling 4.7, 4.8 amperage here. But other than that, it's a really great battery. I love the meter on here. It's a great way to know if you don't have like a meter working inside your trailer, you don't have a monitor system or anything. This is a good way to come out here, take a look, see how much power your battery still has, make sure it's not going dead on you. You can see your actual amperage if you want to know what things are actually using in either your RV, or if you want to use this in some other kind of project, off-grid setup, whatever, you can see the amperage of whatever you're connecting to it. But anyway, this is my quick demo of the DR.PREPARE battery. I think they're great, pretty decent, solid brand. I've used them before, and like I said, I really love the meter. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.